Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Building Timber. I think this is number 13. So in this episode, it's actually a clip that I forgot to include into the episode where I worked on the arches here to support the water damage beam. But it's kind of funny. I kind of do a lot of updates on what I was doing, and also there's a little bonus surprise of something really funny that happened, which I'm sure I included that into the title, so you probably already know what it is. Anyway, so you guys enjoy that. And also, this band is amazing. You can see it. Hammock. I actually personally know them, and they are insanely cool people. Hello, Andrew. What's up? So you guys look them up. They're really cool, and they have really cool music, and they have a ton of music that's getting included in a lot of movies and videos. So yeah, check them out. Alright, you guys enjoy. Okay, I have a surprise for you all. Drum roll! Do-do-do-do-do. That was a weird drum roll. Anyway, look at that! Whoa! Okay, well it's not up there drilled in, but it's kind of just propped up there. So yeah, yesterday me and Dad we put them all together. So I guess next week we'll be actually, attaching them up there. But it's really cool. We got these kind of little retro shelvings right here. So it's coming. It's slowly coming. And other things we're doing some wiring. I'm putting in, there's only 4 outlets total in timber, and technology and new age, I was like, I need more outlets. So I'm putting in at least 2 more outlets. I got one right there, and I got one that's coming in right there, and I have one that's actually right here, but we are moving it to up here so I can charge my phone while I'm up in the bunk. So we're gonna have this guy is gonna have the wires going through it, and I got little holes here where it's going to be going up to the outlet, which will probably sit, right here, right there. And also I got some lights that I'm going to be putting in up here to replace these ones. So, I'm going to have the wiring clipped up and going to the side. And right here, I'm going to put a shelf here for some books. And on the other side, it's a smaller space, so the arch is going to be about right there. So I'm going to have probably my cutting boards and stuff right there. So I'm pumped. I was planning on painting those white, but they're the centerpiece. So, I don't know, I might do something different, maybe doing a kind of an auburn, maybe, I don't know. Or maybe the walnut stain. Or maybe just do it on the edge and have that part white. I haven't quite figured that out yet, but I think I want to add a little extra something than just leaving it white, because it is the centerpiece. It looks so good, it makes it look like a caravan in here. It adds kind of a flow. Well, I mentioned before that there's actually a mouse been hanging out in here, and I found its nest. It made a nest in here. And I know some of you all know that I raised baby mice a few years ago, Bigfoot and Skeeter. And, Bigfoot didn't make it, but Skeeter, grew to adulthood, and he escaped, so I released him to the wild. But, yeah, so it was in the stove, and so it was right down in there, and I was very careful, trying to make sure, has the mouse had babies yet? And it wasn't, they haven't had babies, so I just took out all this stuffing. They took some of my, installation, and they took a bunch of the paper towels that I had in here, and also the black rugs that I had covering that. They took a bunch of that, the strips, fringes, and they used that for the nest. So, I vacuumed all that up. And I read online that they don't like pepper, and so I kind of went overboard on the pepper strip. I just dumped pepper everywhere. Where I've seen the mouse leavings, where the mouse leaves his little deposits. And I put a whole bunch of pepper under there. So, I think maybe I'll get some mouse poison or something. I don't know. But the pepper is what I got right now. Anything else? Well, after the arch is up, we're going to be doing the air conditioner, because we want to, support that beam before we put the extra weight up there. So that's going up first before the air conditioner. Last weekend I was sick, and I was sick all week. And I am very behind on my deadline. Like, I was so pumped last video. I was like, yeah, I got a deadline. Oh boy, this is gonna be amazing. And then I just got sick. I was like, well, so much for that. So there's some things I probably won't be able to get done before June 30th. But I mean, it's not any pressure. I'm just showing her off. So we will see. But I do have her official housewarming date set for 2 months. A little less than 2 months in advance now. So that's my actual final deadline, because that's the home warming party. So, yeah, we will see. I'm hoping my goal for June 30th is just to have arches up and at least air conditioner. And then I actually have all my drawers and cabinets painted. Like, I have them over at Mary and Eric's house down in Tennessee during the week. That's where I stay. I got them all done. I just need to put the handles on them. And so next weekend I'll be bringing them. I do need to do the washing. I did some whitewashing here. Just like a little extra whitewash from, like, I did the sanding, but the sanding, like, at least around the windows here, so I couldn't get to that. So it's kind of like I don't know, it just looks kind of trashy. So I'm kind of getting like a little bit of white paint, and I'm kind of going over that. So I need to do that to the rest of timber before I actually put in all, actually attach all the drawers. And so that's probably going to be the next step before I put in the drawers, and after I put the air conditioner and the arches up. But that's probably, my guess, that's probably all I'm going to have done by June 30th, maybe, hopefully. I'm saying that a lot. I'm saying maybe, hopefully a lot. And it's really hot in here, so I'm like sweaty. I have my fan, but it's really loud. And yeah, so we'll see. I might have my black splash up. I might not. I might have my fireplace in. I might not. We will see. Probably not. Alright. We'll see what happens. Hopefully I won't be sick again.